Check it out. We got a Tuesday review. Tonka mini trucks. Look at this thing. This is, I just bought this at the store. Here's its garage. You don't know what you're buying when you buy it. You just buy this. And we're going to be surprised together. Okay, so let's dive in here. So it is pretty small. I'm going to open her up and let's see what we got. Boom. Tonka truck. I like this as Tonka. It's very small. It lives up to its name, mini. See how well it rolls. All right, it rolls like garbage. Freak, that's horrible. And it's not as cool a truck as I thought. I mean, it's an armored truck, which I guess is kind of cool, but what good's a tiny armored truck? I don't got tiny money or guns. Here, this will give you an example of how big this thing is. It fits in my nose. Anyway, you know, for overall smallness, it is a tiny truck. I'm going to give it a 7 out of 10, but for usability, 0. It freaking doesn't roll at all. Not even a truck.